Hi guys, so in this video we will be explaining you the entire deliverables of our CP3 subject. So as you know, CP3 is not a regular subject like other subjects, and there are correct tips and tricks that you need to understand in order to clear this exam. There are many students who struggle with this exam. So for you to understand basically that what we are providing in this subject, so you can check out the link of our product page on this video's description. So we have attached the link of our website. In our website, you can see that we are offering two programs. So one is the full program and the other one is self-study program. So in full program, what we are telling is that we will be offering you exclusive video lectures. Basically, in this lectures, I have done different past papers questions discussion. I have covered different tips and tricks, especially separate for both II as well as IFO students, because in this subject, what matters is that we have to explain the things to a non-technical audience. So you really need to understand which are irrelevant points, which are relevant points, how you need to improve your points, what points to make, what not to make, what are the to-dos for your exam, what are the things to avoid in exam. So we will be discussing all these things in the lectures. Plus there are at regular intervals different live session schedules where I come live and discuss different questions discussion. Apart from this, we have 4 mock schedules, and in those mocks basically we will be preparing you in typical exam style pattern. So those will be 3 hours 20 minutes mock. You will be attempting the mock basically in exam style format, and we will be sharing the feedback on your attempted mock, and that feedback is really helpful for the students because they actually understand that what are the mistakes that they are doing. So we start with 100 marks and we keep on deducting marks based on every mistake that you do. Apart from this, you will be getting weekly targets also, where the team will keep on motivating you that every week these are the videos that you need to complete, these are the past papers that you need to refer, and if you're not completing that, the entire team is there to push you. Now this program has a validity of 1 year, so and in case if you want to extend it further, it is further extendable as well with minimum charges. And the other program is self-study program. So if you take self-study program, that is same as this program, like you get lectures but you cannot avail live sessions and you cannot avail weekly targets and video tracking basically, and mocks will be there but those will not be checked. So if you feel basically that even if you have given this exam before, but what matters in this exam is the detailed feedback that you're getting from our side on your attempted mock, so we will recommend you to go for full. But in case if you feel that you don't have time to attempt mocks and you just want to listen to the lectures and just prepare yourself for the different tips and tricks, you can go for our self-study program. So we have this entire details available on our website. Plus we have entire playlist available for CP3 also, where we have covered different lectures and you can access those lectures basically and can basically understand that how we are taking training apart from the orientation lecture, how the discussion of past paper takes place. Still, in case if you feel you have any doubts related to the subject, you can contact us on the number mentioned. Thank you. Happy learning.